A service bus was halfway through its morning route when the driver heard it. A sharp, metallic bang that didn't belong in traffic. He did the right thing, pulled over, called it in. When the technician arrived, the expectation was modest. High compressor load, elevated air pressure, nothing unusual. Modern air systems are layered with safeguards. Pressure relief valves, emergency shutoffs, warning sensors, redundancy on redundancy. But the first check rewrote the story. Brake system, zero air pressure. That's when the inspection moved upstream. The compressor compartment told a different truth. Metal fragments scattered like shrapnel, the compressor head torn open from the inside. This wasn't a single failure, it was a chain reaction. Each safety system was traced, one by one. Relief valves, overwhelmed. Shutoffs, ineffective. Sensors, too late. Every layer designed to prevent disaster had been pushed past its limit. Then the real cause surfaced. A completely clogged air dryer filter. Moisture and debris had nowhere to go. Back pressure built silently, relentlessly, until the compressor had no option left but to fail catastrophically. One neglected filter overpowered every engineered safeguard and came within inches of leaving a full bus without brakes in live traffic. No warning light announces neglect. No sensor measures complacency. Sometimes the smallest maintenance items carry the heaviest consequences. Machines don't forgive shortcuts. They only wait.